Looking for a quick and easy way to style your hair? Then you should give Bantu knots a try. This is the result. Stay tuned. So today I'm going to be doing a Bantu knot tutorial. If you haven't already watched my heatless stretching video, you should watch. This is how I did this, except I did not use rubber bands because I didn't have time. But it's completely dry and it's only been maybe like an hour and a half. So I'm gonna take these out and then I'm gonna start this tutorial. So stay tuned. Again, if you haven't watched, I'll link that below in the description box. You should take a look before you watch this. So this is how my hair looks, completely stretched out. I did the back off camera just because it's easier. So you're gonna use some curl milk, only a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Starting at your ends first, then working your way up. Getting your hair a little bit damp, but not soaking wet, or else you'll get your regular curl pattern and you don't want that. So you part a medium to large section, comb it out with a fine tooth comb and start twisting from the root. When you do Bantu knots, it's not so much about how tight you twist, but more so the perfect shape that you make, making sure that when you're winding it up, you're going directly under the last piece of hair that you want, and going under, and going under, and wrapping around and around. And then when you get to almost the end, you're gonna add some gel. You're gonna comb it out again, and then you're gonna make sure that you tuck that piece underneath really tight. You want the ends protected, or else you'll get a wavy, weird pattern. So I use bobby pins because I don't have time for this to unravel at night, and then all my hard work went to waste. So I definitely use bobby pins to secure my ends. So now this is the next day. It's completely dry. Now I'm gonna unravel it with oil on my fingers, and you know that's Dr. Burley oil. So then you want to start splitting from the ends first, because the gel kind of made it a little bit hard to just easily part through, and you don't want to frizz up your hair by being rough. So gently detach from the ends and then work your way up. You can even wear your hair like this in a cute little style, or you can keep going. And these are your cute little Bantu knots. You can pick it out for more definition. You can keep unraveling knots, but I like it just like this. I had a little piece that messed up, so I tucked it. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe, give a thumbs up. You can follow me on Instagram at Dr. Burley. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Hashtag Burley Gang if you try any of my methods. And thanks for watching. Thanks, Burley Gang.